Skills. What's happening, guys? Welcome to day 6 of the home garage build project, whatever you want to call it. And today's going to be a fantastic day. We've got a stack of things in front of us. We've got a whole bunch of things that came in. However, I wanted to talk about day 5 very briefly, because I would have just shown you day 5 just then. I would have made it look smooth and impeccable and perfect. However, it was quite the opposite. Day 5 was one of those days when anything that could go wrong went wrong. Multiple trips to and from Bunnings to get things, to fix things, to try different ways of doing things. And it really started off with the gun rack. I started drilling holes. I drilled a hole for the gun rack. It took me forever because I don't really have much experience with this stuff. However, I knew the theoretical process of mounting it. But I drilled this hole and I put in the Dynabolt and kind of bodged the Dynabolt as I was putting it in, whatever I did wrong, and got to the point where I got stuck. And eventually, just as you saw, I called Kevin in, a guy that I got off Airtasker, and just got him to finish the job off. And when I say finish the job off, he literally just did the whole thing all over again, as well as mounting the mirrors. Look, I'm a strong believer in learning to do things yourself and giving it a crack, not being scared to fuck up or to fail. Do your best, and if all else, I guess, fails or doesn't work, then spend the time, the money to get a professional to come in. However, there's nothing wrong with giving things a red hot go yourself, and that's basically what happened yesterday. So now I'm gonna head in, gonna see what we've got, have a look over it, and start putting these benches together. That's come in. Some type of plate and bar holding contraption. I don't think it's been put together properly. Some power bands, a whole bunch of those. What looks like a belt for dips. Foam roller, that's a big ass foam roller. That looks like some type of pad. One of those bar thingamajiggies, a landmine rowing thing, and bar, and some clasps, and looks like chalk. A couple of boxes here. These would be the two, what do they call it? Adjustable benches. And a few other things, I'm not too sure what these are. What that is, a plier box, I guess. So Christian's ordered these things. Pretty exciting. Last night we opened these up. Today you're going to smash out these 2 benches. My adjustable bench took quite some time. Comes with all the tools, very good quality, very well made. I was actually quite surprised, pleasantly surprised with this bad boy. Christian, come and demonstrate the adjustability of this bad boy.
Yeah.
So we've got the
we can adjust this.
Just the bum area. 3 different positions there.
Really?
Yep.
Okay. It's up.
Oh, like a decline, slight decline.
Incline.
Incline.
Yeah. Very high.
Yep.
Incline.
Nice.
Have your shoulder press. Like that.
Yep. You'd even get one more. You gotta force it, yeah, that's it.
Like that.
Nice.
It's all the way up.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, that's good. How's that feel?
Feels good.
Nice. Nice. Now it's going to put the other one together.
Good thing I can touch the ground.
Yep. Oh. Got the bumper plate toaster going together now. And I've got another bench that we're going to put together. What's happening, guys? Just spent the last 2 hours putting stuff together, and this is what we got so far. Check it out. We got these 2 adjustable SMI benches, heavy duty. Put the second one together. We got this plate toaster rack for storing plates on, and it's got wheels, so it's pick this up by the handle and move it around. Also got this little contraption on the end here. What's this for, Christian? What's this for?
Add micro plates. You can put.
Oh yeah, put smaller plates on that. Okay, cool. Nice.
Yeah.
Also, this thing that I didn't show you guys before. Look at this custom-made deadlifting platform. How nice is that? Using the same gym flooring on the sides here, I'm pretty sure, than the ones we've got. It looks identical. I could be wrong. Nice timber finish in the middle, glossed metal framing around the edges there. Look at that. Nice, heavy duty, custom made, just for Christian's gym. What do you guys think? And now we've got this over here. Christian, I don't even know what the hell this is, man.
Wet plate rack.
Wet plate rack, yeah,
Plates.
okay, I'll get you like a Christmas tree style.
You can put your, say, easy bar, small barbell.
Yep, bars.
Yeah.
What about that?
X bar.
What about that bar?
Yeah, you can put this.
Give us a demonstration. Nice, look at that. Yeah, I get you.
This one I'm not sure it's made for.
Yeah, we can use that for landmine rows off this instead of using plates.
Yeah.
I reckon you can use that. Sick. T-bar rows, come at me. Instead of wedging it into the corner like Ronnie Coleman. All right. Let's tidy up. What do you reckon?
Yes. Yeah, start it up a bit.
Tidy up and give you guys
For photos.
for photos,
I'll clear this out.
photo purposes.
To fix the floor mats for the guy.
Oh yeah, so tomorrow our mate's going to come back. Kevin's going to come back and he's going to finish off these gym floor tiles, cut the pieces correctly to fit into the corners there and underneath these shelves. As you can see, there is some flooring still exposed there that we want to cover up with the proper gym tiles. So we're going to get Kev to come in tomorrow and he's going to cut the gym flooring to fit. Look at all this stuff that's come in. Stacks and stacks and stacks and stacks of boxes. But what's inside? Who knows? It's a crazy bar too, check it out. Damn. 15 kilos ATX training bar and a nice matte pink.
Do the honors.
Let's bar.
Good work. That's it.
Nice. It's upside down.
How did nothing to die?
He didn't, I did.
He was in a rush, but he just like.
Throw it on the... I thought you needed to take a shit.
I did.
Well, Oh, don't shit your pants opening that up because you aimed right at us.
So it's on the tip.
It's on the tip. You got a turtle head poking out. You need a hand.
We're gonna stand it up.
Stand it up right here. Is it heavy? Oh, awkward, that's why.
Okay. Ready?
What do you want to do?
Yes.
Oh, it's already up. You don't need a... Nice. You two guys don't need to assemble it.
Skills! This is why you married me, being my wife. These types of skills I've got. You learn something every day, don't you? Hey?
Is it heavy? Pick it up.
Is that for the base? Take the condom off. Take the base off. Take the frame off.
Done thing.
Right, that's it. Oh, watch out for his feet.
Here we go.
You alright?
I think I pulled a muscle. You better get all this off, man. Hadouken!